Okay. Well, it's been a while since we posted. A lot has happened. A lot has changed. Uh, my car blew up, which is like not the best thing. Civic Pearl, she's gone. It's been like a month and a half now, and I've been saving up, get a new car. It's been a fucking pain in the ass. So yeah, she blew up. I'm here with Benicia right now, and I did get a new car. Yeah, but I'm here with Benicia right now to wash our cars and just chill out for today, Saturday, the weekend, off of work, and wash the cars, and then hopefully we can go somewhere and I'll reveal you the car. But for right now, I can't really show you. But I will post some clips of my car messing up and everything, so you'll see that right now.
Was it just transmission fluid or something? It's just something dirty looking, but dirty sounding, but yeah. Oh! That's what you're looking for the map. Said they wouldn't turn on. She about to blow. Oh, she about to blow. Nah, we good, we good. Where he going? What?
Got a 1992 Miata. This thing is fucking beautiful. It is fucking mint. Don't mind that. I was cleaning the car and took my shirt off. But yeah, for a 30-year-old car, one owner, they put some anchors on it. They got some Toyo tires on it. Toyo. This hoe is clean as fuck. Man, put the keys in there, and it's manual, as you can see right there. It's manual. Oh my god, look at this engine bay. Oh my god, dude, this shit is fucking mint. Fucking mint as fuck. Look at that. Not one speck of dust. Well, just a little bit, but not really. But you know what I mean. This hoe is fucking clean. Oh my god. I am fucking amazed. And you guys might be wondering how much I got it for. Man, I got this car for $4,500 out the door. That's with taxes and everything included. I still got to get it insured and everything, so I'm just driving like this. It's wild. You know, got the pop-ups. Might be changing those soon. I'm gonna get this car right. You know what I'm saying? But you know, I'm gonna do some cinematics. But yeah, we're going to a meet. I'm already taking this bitch out. We're gonna go over there to this one park We gotta head out though. I think my phone's low on storage because it's
I
not.
think they call them there because they're like friends.
Alright. Y'all ready?
You gotta wait for my dad to get a call. Then the car's ready.
Got a car meet. You know what I'm saying? Second one today. Get the fuck back.
Hey, it's no. Trust me. Look, it's wide angle, so I have to get closer.
Shit. Okay. No, we got another car meet. We got the Miata, baby, bro. We got some Miatas, bro. Miata gang already. You're welcome here. Sip here.
Got a Civic.
Should we go over there so we can drive?
Hey, you fucking want to walk over there?
I'll fucking hold it. Oh, you doing clean ass Miatas. The MDs. On recorder. Mountain Dew. Ask them. They was drinking Mountain Dews.
You just swap that one over and then this one actually happens.
You don't mind if I record?
Oh, I don't care.
Alright, man.
We don't give a fuck.
You don't give a fuck?
My bad.
I thought you said you didn't give a fuck.
Halos?
Yeah, get. Oh, there you go. Oh, you can barely see them. Damn, I gotta go fucking all the way down to fucking White Brighton.
None of you guys let that fucking that Highlander over that almost hit both these dudes. I'm
Damn,
glad.
really?
Yeah, when we were
it was
turning.
right behind you. Dude,
Nah, yeah,
you
when-
cut in front of me, and then I was behind you, and then the Highlander tried to merge and like.
Damn, I ain't fucking see that.
Yeah, and then we were at the turn coming from like getting onto Lima. He fucking he was in the straight lane to go straight, and he cut off Nolan in front of me.
I seen that. I seen that one.
So when we passed him, I just flipped the dude off. He was an asshole.
That's
And then
fucked
apparently
up.
he swerved into his lane after that.
Yeah, I was just about to drift that corner too. Like I was just about to step on the gas, and then I see him come up. I was like,
Fuck.
Yeah, and then we were passing Panda Express, and he was trying to get in our lane, and literally none of us let him over. So I was so happy, bro. No, yeah, I slowed down so you can catch up.
Bro.
you see me do that U-turn in the fast track?
Yeah, that shit was fucking dope. That was dope.
Yeah. You should have been behind us when we were heading to fast track, because I was drifting every corner.
Damn.
No, yeah, I know. I saw
Yeah,
him.
what you got on yours? Yeah, like LSD and everything?
Yeah, LSD, full exhaust intake, 1.8 swap, no power steering, no AC, so that's even more speed. No, a lot of things.
Weight reduction? Weight reduction?
That's why I always dab him up.
Damn.
It used to be an automatic, and then it got swapped to 1.8.
Damn. Well, we just fucking here. Cool little meet. Yeah, everybody over there.
I mean, it smoked him a little bit. I can smell it.
Like, damn, you looking kind of cute,
Back
blue.
up.
No, it's wide angle. It's wide angle. It's wide angle. It's wide angle.
Wide angle.
It's wide angle. It's wide angle, right? It's a sniff.
Oh, you gotta. Alright, do that.
Yeah, you gotta wiggle your nose. You're a fucking bunny. Now you gotta wiggle your shit, boy.
Okay. Word.
Where's he from? The G37? G35, I think. G35. This is the carbon fiber.
Are you getting a 5 or 6?
I'm hungry. I'm trying to go to McDonald's.
Really, I mean, I just ate like fucking 2 jelly sandwiches. That was it.
I still rest my Facebook without that.
See, that's what I'm trying to get from my home.
I can barely see.
Hey, Horacio, use your flash.
This is fucking nice. I gotta fucking. Yeah, so it's clean.
Makes me want to get McDonald's when I'm hungry.
It's fucking.
I'm hungry.
I got some new wheels, though.
They said that it's either wiring that gets them.
You want a kiss?
You coming over here? You coming over here?
Record.
I was recording. Tom's ready.
What's hearing?
You got him on Snapchat?
I'm on Snapchat. thought about leaving up, but never have. I guess today's the day. 37? I'm trying to get my dog some food.
Holy fuck. Is this a garage car or something?
I'm guessing because
That looks nicer than my 2015.
damn, really?
Yes.
This baby is fucking well maintained.
Get some closer looks.
I got a fucking steal, my guy.
Yeah, that.
$4,500 for
Especially
this?
for the condition. How many miles does it have?
195.
That's. It has 195 and it looks like this.
My fucking Civic has more and it's
Holy shit.
younger. Damn. My Civic has 200 and fucking.
Motherfucker damn near cleaned it every single time. Dude, I swear.
Hey, I'm gonna have to keep it looking like this.
No, he left. Fuck.
He got.
What just happened, boy?
He was already
Huh? What happened?
Boy stalled. Got embarrassed. He left.
I gotta get closer, you know, they can hear you. Yeah, they can hear you, boy.
The whole crowd. That was right.
The whole crowd
Laughed at him.
he stalled, trying to back up.
Might be like, where the fuck is it?
Oh shit! Fuck! Damn! Fuck! Fucking god! That's fucking dope! Oh my Jesus! Fuck! Yeah, that was fucking nice. Damn, this is gonna be a good video. Give me a kiss, boy. Give me a kiss. Oh, you gotta put my ears, you know? Alright, let's go.
Loud boom booms.
Slow mo.
Damn, caught barely on the video. Oh! Again?
We out of here.
Fucking Mopar dude's going crazy.
For
what though?
We gotta leave now, boy. Cups are gonna come. Cups are gonna come damn near.
It'd be alright. You gotta get the yachts out here, you know, drifting and shit.
Boats. What happened, bro, Beans?
Hey, we got Miatas, boy. No, we can find Miatas everywhere. Now that I got a Miata, bro. Hey, we out here. We're really out here. We just cruising. You know, we got some macas. Whatever the fuck the fucking Australians
We
call
got
it.
some Mackers.
You know what I'm saying?
Yada up there.
Hey, we out here just fucking cruising. It's a beautiful night. We got the top down. Oh, you ran that. You went.
God damn. No point leaving us. I gotta hold the cups because that shit is small.
No, we can't even use the fucking cup holders, bro. Hey, Bruto. Hey, Carmi was fucking lit. This video is gonna be lit as fuck too. Man, it's gonna be a good night. It's been a while since we posted, but we coming with some heat.